here we have a MacBook Pro model A1502 that need to be fixed. The MacBook is turned on. We can hear the chime, but there's nothing on the display. No video, no image on the display. So let's open up the MacBook and see what's wrong with this MacBook. It seems like this MacBook has been opened or fixed or messed around before. I noticed the cover, the plastic that covers the battery circuit right here is missing. The metal shield right here, around here is missing. The plastic tab for the display is torn up. And the rubber pads that's covering the heatsink and the fan is also missing. Now I am testing this MacBook with a working screen and see if you can get any image or any video on this screen. Green light, fan spin. Still nothing on the screen. Alright, and since we got no image and no video on the screen, now we know that the problem is on the logic board, and we're gonna fix the logic board. Alright, so we are going to test the data line on this logic board, and we are going to test the pin number 3 and pin number 4, and we need to get at least around 5 volts. Alright. Pin number 3, we have 5.13, and pin number 4 right here, we have 5.13 volts. So those two data line right there are good. And we are going to test this chip right here and make sure that we have 5 volts on pin number 5 right here and pin 18. So let's test the pin number 5. We have 5.13 volts. And pin number 18, we have 5.13, which is good. Alright, and we're gonna check the pin number 17 and see if we have any voltage on that pin. We have 0 volts on pin number 17. Let's go to the schematic and see which component that connected to pin number 17. Pin number 17 is connected to these two components. This one is connected to R7742 and this one is C7742. Let's test this one here. Zero volts on R7742. And this connected to the area right here. See where it is. There you go. We find the problem right here. Yep, this is the good donor board. I hope the component is good too. Alright, so I replaced the corroded chip right here on this logic board, and I am right now testing it with the screen, and look what we got. We got image on the screen. I replaced this corroded U8330 chip from the customer logic board with the one from the donor board, and we put everything back together, and we are going to test the MacBook. The green light, fan spin, and the display working. Alright, we're doing a full test. The battery is fully charged. The Wi-Fi is working. The keyboard is good. The internet and the sound works. The camera works. And the USB, all of them working. And this MacBook is fixed and ready for the customer to pick up. And yep, it is 2 a.m. in the morning right now. So that's it for now, and I hope you learned something, and see you again in the next video. Peace.